Sister, thank you very much for coming, and I'm really very grateful and honored to be here with all of you, with these great speakers, and the campaign of George, which I'm really following for many, many years. So thank you very much for coming. My name is Abdelali Al-Farra. I am emergency medicine doctor and general practitioner. I am a Palestinian and I'm from Gaza. Talking about Gaza, I got this gift from one of my colleagues, which you can see all the name of some of my family that I lost recently. They told me how many of your family have been dead or killed. I said, oh, I have no place for this simple flag to put in them. Maybe distance, maybe 16, maybe 70, I lost the count now. This is not matter really. We are not here to talk about my family. We are here to talk about Gaza. Why Gaza become, with right, to be the mirror of this world. Gaza been fighting, Palestine been fighting for over 76 years. Brutal occupation, genocide, war crime. A lot of people being displaced more than 76 years ago, and they're still displacing us now. All of the Palestinians, we've been dispersed all over the world. I can't go to my country. Someone he told me, oh, you have to go to your country. I said, I can't go to my country. Someone else, which this from George, he said it on the radio many years ago, someone else sold my country to someone else, so I can't go back to my country. So, the government is concerned about all of these people coming week behind week. You are not tired. You still keep coming despite raining, cold weather, you're still coming here. Thank you very much.
Keep on coming.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.